Alright, in the last video I showed you how you can change the theme, and this time I want to show you how you can create a custom application that also matches your company's theme. So again, go to your setup, and now you're going to go to your application manager, and I'm going to create a new Lightning app. Name it Amazon Sales, and I'm gonna try to see if I can get that A icon in here for Amazon. All right, cool. And that's gonna be the logo of the app that you have, and then we'll put some colors in there too. So this is gonna in the app preview launcher. It'll be called Amazon Sales. Looks good. I'm going to keep it for standard, desktop, and phone, so it'll show up on both. I could add some utility items like quick text, but I'm going to skip that for now. And here's where we put the objects, so opportunities, leads, accounts, contacts, into our application. So we'll do that. Accounts, opportunities, leads, contacts, reports, and dashboards. I think I'm going to put leads up there. So it's kind of left to right. Leads create accounts, opportunities, and contacts, and then you've got reports and dashboards to take a look at. All right, so next. Available profiles, I'm going to just give it to everyone, and I can do that by holding down the shift key and bringing them all over. I'd probably, if there's another sales app in here or another application that does the same thing, I would probably hide those from the selected profile so there's no confusion. And you probably do that at the profile level, just hide that application. All right, so now we've created that new application, and we can see what it looks like by going into the app launcher, look for Amazon Sales, and that's where that logo shows up. And then we've got our more refined sales application. I might put a home page on there and customize that home page with the page app builder, but other than that, I think this looks pretty good. Takes about 5 to 10 minutes, and you've got a branded Salesforce organization. Hope this helps.